and I think you should hold till budget announcement. And I've given a target of 96 to 97 at the top. Okay. So this is NFL. It has made a cup and a handle formation, and it's just trying to break out. So once it stands above, say, 83, 84, 85 odd levels, you will see a fresh breakout. And if you want, you can exit 50% at 85 and rest 50% for 95, 96. It is overheated. It will actually consolidate. It will check your patience at this point. Okay. We have bought at right point, so nothing to worry. Just you have to believe yourself and give a part booking if you feel sometime that you are not able to hold. Why I've hold it so much, and if I am not able to take something out of script, so better you book part profits. So book 50% if it increases to 85, 86, and let's keep it yourself. I mean, it depends on you then how you trade, how you actually take the script.
So my
Okay,
query is on Praj Industries.
Raj.
So what is the outlook on the chart?
It's given a buy signal, almost a breakout, and I think we should hold it. And it carries a momentum too. Uh, your next target could be easily like 160, 160, 65. It may test some of your patience, maybe 2, 3 months to move forward, and I think 160, 65 is achievable.
Okay. And second one is on the associated alcohol breweries.
Associated.
Associate or associated alcohol breweries. I want to enter into this stock for long term.
Associated alcohol breweries. Can you help me with the code?
I need to check the code. I think it's ABL.
No, look at the AS CBR,
AS?
LCBR.
Is it a BSC script? Okay. So anyone can help, please?
It's double
Double
ABL,
A
the shortcut.
Double A B, no.
L.
associate
Double
alcohol.
A, double A
Yes,
I
yes.
L,
B for Bombay.
double A B L. No, I'm not getting any script like this. Double A I L is there. Double A, no.
Type associated, no.
ASALCBR.
So it's ASALCBR. It's performing well. I think it's pretty good on numbers also. So it was ASALCBR. Book value 60 rupees. Current price to book value, face value 10. Stock trading at 25 PE. So all those
Trade
breweries, all the stocks
industry
are
P is
going.
145.
No, I can see the average. Redico Khaitan is 46, GM Brewery is 37, 97. All those companies are high PEs. So average could be. So it is trading, I think, much at negotiable value in that case. I mean, stock has some room to uh, profit 377. I mean, this is a pretty good performing script, and its performance is quite stable as well. So any sell, it will get a buy. So if a negotiated value, if you get at 260 is a good point to enter. And technically, what max you can do is a long-term trend which checks average. So parallel buy could be. So fine, if any drop at 238, 236 is the best buying zone. Okay, it has
Okay.
although shown a N pattern formation. So N pattern formation could rest somewhere around 260. So any sell down short term by 260 have a stop loss of 257 or 255. It carries a momentum. You can have that. But if you get any sell down, because these scripts are well controlled scripts. Okay, so all those market makers, they won't allow you to participate. It's a long term participant. You just buy and just forget the script. These companies are quite good at maintaining their profits. They are consistent in profit. Management is more conservative, and they keep on growing your money. So I think it's best whenever there is a sell down, you keep an eye. Even I will look forward to it if it you know sells down or something, books profit. Keep on tracking results every quarter or maybe 6 months. So I think it's good to hold any dip to 230, 240 or levels. It's a good buy. Okay.
Okay.
So anything else?
Puriji, what about Hindalco?
Hindalco, we have just checked a chart in a pro traders group. So it is overbought at this point in time. It can test some 260 on odd levels. It was a false breakout at the top. People got trapped. So it's a distribution. So for next 10-15 days, this stock is not going anywhere. So they will eat the premium. It has given a false breakout. So all those who have bought that as well. So a market maker or operator would like to eat that premium. For next 15 days, I think it is a bit cool. So you may find some attraction in the result. So you can just check. So if the results are near probably in this month only, then we can may see some fresh breakout. But otherwise, it is a bit stressed at this point.
Okay, thanks.
Can I ask
Sir,
about,
view on
like
Talwalkar.
One by one, please.
you mentioned that could be we can probably see Nifty in a downside in the coming times. Can we expect something in NPB as well? Because lot of people are there and waiting for it to move on. As per my technical knowledge, I all the oscillators and all the things are indicating that it might go up, and it might go up in one shot, probably 12-15 rupees. We can probably see in a single day. So then it can burst a bit, but then it will have fresh legs later on. But if the Nifty goes down, then what happens is that
So these stocks are actually not related to Nifty. It was only 10,500. So it is not related to Nifty first of all. It has I was starting. See, there is one problem with all you know, all of you who wants to play this market intraday or maybe weekly. The problem is patience. Okay, so this is the chart which I was actually studying with one of my pro traders. You all know Pratik is there. Pratik is holding this. Well, Pratik is there. I think Pratik is not here. So I congratulate Pratik. Would like to, you know, okay. Would like to announce he started with 10 lakhs of capital. Okay, and he did 2 months of training with me, and within 1 month he has double his capital. He has made 9.5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees. Okay, Pratik is an equity group one. So once again, I congratulate him. So he's holding Infibeam. He was discussing chart with me yesterday. So that is wherein I like to support all those people who just take time out and wants to actually make money. Okay. So there were few traders also came along with Pratik, but they went back. But there was, because it wasn't their cake. They were investors. They are not able to understand things. They went back in 10, 15, 12, I mean 20 days. They're still investing. But there are traders who want to make fortune in trading. So there is always a respect for skillful traders. So this is where we both were discussing. So if you can see, this is a long-term chart of Infibeam I've drawn, and there is a bit room in symmetrical triangle formation, so maybe 3-4 candles more. Okay, and there is a support zone which is there at 132. So it there is a fair chance that, you know, this operator is a bit cheater, whoever runs the show, right? There is a fair chance that it may retest this odd levels, maybe 132, maybe 126, but it will gradually make a U formation, a cup formation, and then this will break out. Then this will break out to this channel's peak. So this channel peak stands at 180. So if I see this kind of move, a U, if you can see my arrow, it makes a cup here and it rounds. The moment it is above this again, 142, it will be immediately 180 levels. So this could happen in next 2 months, or maybe a 1 month only, or maybe before result. So anything can happen. And if you can see in the average, it is oversold average. Okay, so anytime we see a buying signal, you can see this RSI, which is already overheated, and this is showing some kind of reversal. Momentum on the negative side is where it is just scrolling to come on a positive. So any small buying in this script will strike it up. So I am not lose hearted. I have already got this studied well. I mean, you can check the numbers of the company, you can check the reserves, the earnings. It's all in place. There is nothing negative about the company. Negative is only that the operator is active in the script, which is not allowing you to make the money. So investors will certainly make money. You hold a lot, you hold a cash segment, you hold options, you will make money. It's always a right time, right pick. So I may add, if it drops down, I may add this more. I'm not worried. Let it drop. If it is going up, I am ready to hold. There is not a problem. Okay, so you need to actually fight with the script. That is where you make money. They will check your patience. You will lose your patience. You will actually book the loss. So if the script is good, there is nothing wrong with fundamentals. I think you should hold. As of now, there is nothing wrong. Maybe some news comes in or something. That is another issue. Otherwise, things are pretty okay at this point in time. Okay, anything else? I hope
Sir,
I'm able
Talwar
to explain. Talwar.
and Gabriel India.
Hello.
At the top, beautiful evening star formation for all those who are learning, still learning. Just see how it respects evening star formation at the top. From 330, it is like 300. Best formation which gives us return always. I respect this. Okay, this is a good support point. and although the averages are overheated, it's similar as I was explaining on Nifty also overheated. This is just see it is overheated, started moving down. Momentum is negative. The script may take some more time. I think this could bottom at 294, 294 to 290 odd levels. I think there's a technical gap here. If you can see from 271, the stock got gap up, went down to 279. So any strong sell in Nifty, this gap will be fulfilled. 270 is the good point to add on. So which is visible. I think they should test any time. And long-term chart structure stands at 1, 2, freak cup and handle. Okay, this should happen anytime during its result. Okay, just check when are the results. So result will strike this down to 270 odd levels, and then the stock will actually revive back to some 310 stable levels. So this script is bit range bound. If you want to add around 268, 270 levels. And this is a long-term trend line, which will give us some channel. The script is in channel formation. Okay.
All the brokerage houses are very bullish on.
Okay, so that's how it is. If this script, it is on a weekly chart pattern, this has made an evening star formation. So if somebody wants to, if you are holding the script, any bounce to 310, 12 levels, you just exit the script and you will find 270 levels and then a reversal. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And Gabriel India?
Gabriel. Okay, script is interesting. Heading for newer highs, so it is having a sharp move. Anything above 207.8, you just buy. Have your stop loss of 197 at the bottom, and target of 240, 242 at the top. Okay.
The prices.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so the buying is only above 207, okay? Don't buy before. So before that, it can strike down and it has potential to move down, but if it is moving above 207, you just buy.
Puneet, how about Adani Enterprises?
212 is much expected. 190 was our first target. We are done with it. And I'm playing it for much larger target. So anything which get clear with Australia, you know, they get approvals in place. The script can go even to 1,000, 1,200 levels.
No, but would it make sense to buy an option of 200 for this one?
I think no, it is overheated. 190 was a pretty good area of resistance, although we have broken, so people are buying it. So 196, 197 is something I can see on a high end. If you're carrying it, I think I would advise you to book it. So it will sustain at this point, it will consolidate, and then it will break out 200.
Yeah, I just booked one today. I was trying to get in again tomorrow, but I'll not get in then.
Better, you know, let the thing, you know, consolidate. So it has moved from 160 levels. It has changed its price level from 160 to 190.
Yeah.
So every 30 point, this script consolidates. So 200 could be a major resistance zone. So it will take some time to move up and down, consolidate. Maybe it will hit 199.50, and again it will retest 188, 190, and then you understand what I mean to say. The script gets consolidation and then it moves. Yeah.
No, absolutely got it. So I think then I'll not get in. The other thing was, Puneet, I was holding 105 call option for Tata Power. So does it make sense to still hold it, or should I get out of it?
See, options are for momentum only. I bought Tata Power when it crossed 96, and I've mentioned in the group also that Tata Power has broken out, if you all remember. So I've given a small hint that it has
Yeah.
broken out. Okay, so that was the point. Whenever stock gets, it gets a good volume above the resistance zone and it sustains, you buy. So I bought the option, and the moment it crossed 100, 150, 180, I sold my option. So that is where I played. I don't invest into option, and you guys invest into option. That is the problem.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
have to
Yeah.
play with the momentum. You don't have to play as a trend. So if you're playing in FNO, I would advise you keep holding. Okay. If you're playing in cash, I would advise keep holding. But option has a premium to lose. I cannot advise you to hold. So better you play with the momentum, take your 1 rupee, 2 rupee out, and just exit the script. So lot size is 9,000. So if we're getting
Yeah.
1.5 or 2 rupees, 18,000 rupees, what else you want? Yeah.
You
Okay.
know, I'm already getting 2 rupees. That's true. I was just thinking if it breaks out within this month
So I mean,
beyond 105.
there is there there is no limit to a greed.
Yeah,
So
I know.
so it's better. I mean, just see the kind of resistance zone. I'm talking about this area. If you can see my cursor, it has
Yeah,
hit 1.75, and now it has started coming down because this is the area where it will spend some time. Okay, so it will not cross like this. I mean, all of a sudden. So it will take some time, few more candles. It will touch 97, 97 and a half, then move to 98. Then it will check your patience. Like, see, although I have given a target of 150 on Tata Power, but it is not that it is coming second day. Okay, so you can see averages are overheated, all the oscillators are heated, it will cool down, and then again it will start rallying. So it will make 110, 112, it will make its cup, and then it will make a handle, and then it will break to 150. I've taught you all in my classes. I guess you remember, huh? Now I realize that who are you.
yeah. This is Mayank. Thank you so much. So actually, I was
Ah,
traveling, Puneet. So I am actually in Amsterdam, but I was just trying to get these trades out because I'm holding the options.
so that's the smart part of playing into equities. You can trade anywhere. Okay, so great. Best of luck. So this will form cup and this will form handle. It's a long-term bet. On bottom, you can add on to the script, and I think it will give you good result in 2018.
Got it.
Arvind
Got it.
chart, sir.
Thanks.
Arvind chart.
Arvind,
Arvind.
just a second. इतना इतना अरविंद खरीदते हो मैंने वो बाय कॉल दिया अरविंद का 315 पे OI एडेड टू 1.70 1,70,000 ऑप्शंस खरीदे गए वो कहाँ से ऑपरेटर चलाने देगा आपको आज मेरा और नुकसान हो गया उस चक्कर में हाँ एवरीबडी पंचेस लाइक एनीथिंग मैं क्या करूं उसमें बताओ मेरे को ब्रेकआउट नहीं लेने दिया आई लॉस्ट 12,000 rupees all like this way so anyways Arvind C stands good at this point. It could break out, and my target is 467. Okay, holding option is something you're taking a pain. I have given a stop loss of 1 rupee just because that I don't want you to be in a situation wherein your 10, 15,000 stands at a point for a toss. So it has got a base of 446 at the bottom. It has closed 447.55. I guess most of the stop loss are hit, and people who are still holding, I think they can take 3 rupees as a because it will lose premium also. So 3 rupees as a strict stop loss. Hold on, and if it strikes 467, I think that's a well point. I mean, it can hit 7, 8, 9 rupees from there. That is what I think forward.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. This is Suman here. Sir, you have told 4 scripts: RBL Bank, IRB Infrastructure, and R Naval, and fourth. What is the fourth script, sir?
All Anil Ambani
HCC.
shares. Na? HCC, yeah.
SSC.
One is HCC.
HEC.
Hindustan Construction.
HCC.
Oh, Hindustan Constructions. Okay, okay, okay. HCC. Sir, one more. Sir, you are saying about all Anil Ambani scripts, right? So, what about the Arcom, sir? Because there is a lot of noise going in the market about Arcom all the time from since last 1 month.
See, although Big Brother is helping younger one, but every script has got the valuation. Okay. So I believe maximum valuation which this stock can strike is 34-35 rupees. Okay, on a
Okay.
higher side. Although the momentum carries, it can hit 45 to 48, wherein I will book all my profits.
Okay.
Okay. So all the subscriber base is already gone. I mean, since they've shut down the operations, people have moved to other players. So what this Arcom is left with debt and the assets. So
Yes.
there has got some valuation to the company. I don't think this is any way above 47 or 48. That is maximum I'm looking at it. Otherwise, 35, 36, it's a fair thing to get out if somebody has bought 10, 11 or 15, 16 rupees as suggested.
Okay. Okay. So what could be the next week target, sir? Can you give me, because just for my analysis purpose I'm asking, because I missed investing at 11, 12 rupees.
So I mean there are many other
Because
script
I
by
don't
Arcom.
not in a position to take any call on that, whether to buy or not to buy or keep quiet on this one.
So it will
Because
take another 5-7 days, maybe 10-15 days for consolidation. You will see many more candles like this, and after some 2 months or 2.5 month consolidation, I think 46, 47 is achievable.
okay. Okay. Fine, sir. Fine.
Sir, any views on Vocard?
Wokhart. Trading view or holding?
Trading. Because I've seen it, this stock, it moves in one direction only once it starts moving.
So maybe it is near to result or some announcement or some US FDA clearance. It is very unpredictable stock, I can say. So very good volumes, fresh breakout, overheated oscillators, momentum still continues. So I think short term near to like 983, 990 levels, easily achievable.
Okay.
Sir,
Free Eye Infotech?
So,
Rachit, this
one
side.
by one.
Free Eye Infotech.
Sir,
Not clear.
Free Eye Infotech.
Free Eye Infotech.
Sir, this is
Yeah.
Okay, much at a resistance point, but very good volume. I think see, need some consolidation. Although it has touched a high phase resistance 9.18, you need some 1 month to 2 month consolidate in this point, and then you will see a fresh breakout. And this script has good legs to move. And I think, oh, beautiful. Okay, 1 year target could be like 20 to 23 rupees.
Sir, Dilip Buildcon. Hello.
Yeah, I have cleared Free Eye Infotech, 1 year target 20 to 23. Now Dilip Buildcon.
Thank you, sir.
$930 is the level. It can come down to 930 level. That is well, you can have it in your portfolio. A stop loss of 875. Okay.
Sir, I purchased it at 1,000.
You purchase at 1,000 rupees. And then you get an exit. You get. I think you should book your profit.
Okay. What about Prakash Industries? I buy at 210.
Okay, some kind of volume drop already heated to 10. It seems as if you are a short-term player and
No, it's
okay, you exit at 208, book a loss of 1 to 2 rupees.
for long term.
MEP Infra.
Prakash Industries, if you want, you can book at par. Scrip is making an evening star formation. It can come down to 180 levels.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next.
Puneet sir, this Murad.
Hello.
MEP Limited.
Hello, Puneet sir.
MEP Infra.
One by one, please. One by I'm getting confused. MEP Infra, I heard.
Yeah, MEP Infra, sir.
You want to buy fresh?
No, sir, I'm holding.
Maybe 6 over bottom on star formation. Okay.
Sir, I'm holding it at 105.
105 is well taken. So
So suddenly, couple of days back, it has gone to 105.
105, then started correcting,
Yeah.
and it's dipping down. We'll retest. It can retest 94, 95 levels,
Okay.
and again it will move up. So you can average and have a stop loss of 87 at the bottom.
Okay.
Hold it, and there is nothing in the script. Okay, just exit.
Okay.
So can your view on the
Try call. Okay, profit booking. Try call. It has started now, and I think you want to buy or you're holding it.
Hello.
You want to buy or you're holding the script right?
Holding it since level of 100 rupees.
Since level of 100 rupees.
So I'm holding it at level of 100.
Okay. So it is, I think keep holding it. The moment it breaks 129, 120. 128 is your stop loss here. If it breaks 128,
Okay.
if it breaks 128, then it will come down. It can come down to 115 levels. Okay. But if it is trading above and holding, then you can have a target of 145 to 147.
So Sun Pharma, sir. Okay, thank you. Sun Pharma, sir. Yes, sir. So my holding price is 760. I just want to know whether it is a hold or a sell.
Okay, you need it from a delivery perspective.
Yes, I can hold it for this long term. My holding price is 760, sir.
Okay, the stock has already formed a bottom, and it's a long-term bottom reversal, which is started happening now. Keep holding the script. Your target is 820.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And another, sir, is my holding price is 120.
All those who want to add Sun Pharma, it's the best buying price. Keep on, holding from this price. This price may take several months to come back again. it's a good bargain. Even I may add in my portfolio on Monday. Okay, next.
Sir, can you repeat that price, please? Sir, आप please price repeat कर सकते हैं क्या आपने price बोली है?
Best bargain price for Sun Pharma अभी जो चल रहा है वही है. So probably if you get say around 557, 560, 63, 557, 563 is a price, very good price band, best bargain point. And if you want to buy at this price also 577, 78 for a long term, it's a good hold. 820 is the target. It's a good bet. I mean, this is it can give you like 20-25% return in 2018.
Sir, bail.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bail.
Okay.
Sir, holding price is 120.
So this stock has started getting momentum, but I think volumes are pretty less, not so attractive that I can say that the stock will burst or 150 or something. Results are pretty poor, and quarter on quarter it is dipping in performance. So need to check this month also. So whenever there is a result, I need to track the date. So I think you should ask me before result. I'll let you know whether you want to hold or you should, exit.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Your views on
सर मेरी क्वेरी है सर इक्विटास में सर मेरी क्वेरी इक्विटास में वो मूव करा था 2-3 सेशन से सर मेरी सर माय होल्डिंग प्राइस इज 167 so I would like your advice on the Equitas, sir.
Okay, very good move today. Fresh volume breakout. I think you should hold it. It will take some relief at 160.61. It will consolidate, and I think your price will come. 167 is achievable.
So, sir, how much time frame I should consider, and what?
This month, this expiry, I think it can like 167, 168.
And sir, what should the stop loss I should consider? I'm holding for 3 months.
You're holding this last 3 months. So closing below 148 is your stop loss.
148. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot. Sir, again, second query. I'm allowed to ask 2 queries. So second query is about the Gayatri project, sir.
It's a good script to hold. It's in my portfolio, but although it is not performing,
I have in my portfolio from 208.
Gayatri I've also bought in my ValueX as well, but I've sold recently because there was some technical correction. Gayatri code is GAY.
Gayatri project, sir.
I was just checking the code. Gayatri projects. Okay, so this was the problem which actually I found a bullish pattern. That is something strike me. So hold it. I mean 204, 205 is something. If it dips below this, there is a problem. Otherwise, script is at present it is out of momentum since it was overheated, overbought. So it is just testing time. It will take some time, I think. So we'll check result this time, and then I think you should ask your query again. But at present, if you want to hold. Okay. So anything below 202, 203, I think you can have your stop loss there.
Okay, sir. One thing, sir, I want to ask. Like you have said, it's a overbought script. Sir, tell me, most of us, how you consider the script as a overbought?
I've always taught MACD, RSI, stochastic, Williams percentage. This is always I've taught in class. You've not taken my classes. That is why I tell everyone to at least have basics in place. Okay. If you know basic, then you know what I am speaking. This is actually a language which we talk. Okay. If you don't know ABCD, then how you will know the English thing?
Definitely, sir.
So it's nothing. I mean, coming, giving your time, it's an investment. So go for it. Go for at least for one class. You will be pretty much okay. I mean, you can understand the language. You know that when it is heated, why it is heated. You will understand basic patterns. You will understand open interest and many things to go forward. But basic is basic, na? And then you practice it, and you'll become a hardcore trader then.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay, next
Sir,
please.
your views
Tanla
on
Hero
Solutions.
Motor.
Tanla. Okay, 38 could be a base. 38 is best point, and one can buy if it, strikes 43. So a buy above 43, target could be around 47, 47 and a half, maybe 48 rupees, and stop loss 38 at the bottom. Tanla is fresh legs, fresh volume. I think should work. Okay, next.
Thank you, sir.
BEPL.
GVK
Which one?
Power.
The
GVK
BEPL.
Power.
PEPL. PEPL.
I'm holding
No.
it from 185 level, sir. BEPL. B. B for
Oh,
Bombay.
BEPL. Bansali.
Yes.
Keep holding the script. It's beautiful to hold. I mean, it will give you very good return. It's a return specific script. Month on month, will keep adding something to your investment.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah.
GVK
Next.
Power, sir. GVK.
Hero Motor.
GVK.
GK Power.
Holding since 8 rupees.
Okay, keep holding the script. I am bullish on the sector. So I think it's a breakout, multi-week breakout. And it may retest some 16 and a half level. Don't get panic. And keep holding the script. Target could be like 27, 26, 26 and a half.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Rama Steel Tubes. Yes. Sir, I bought it at 220 level, sir.
There is no sell point as such. It is striking. It's all calculated. This 2160 to 60.
Okay.
68 could be the price where it should peak out.
Okay.
Yeah.
That will be bullish after 267.
Yeah. See, it will see every script which moves, it will consolidate at some point. It will not keep on moving again and again. So every 3 months there is an addition. Company works, they add value, they add profits to company, and that profit turns out to be EPS, and then your price moves. Okay. So there's always a span of three months, 6 months. So the company works and the money comes into the company, and that's why the price of the stock moves. So that is why company consolidates, okay, and then strikes new prices at the top. So so it will consolidate. Keep on holding, no problem. I mean 267, 68. I think you should book 50%. Rest 50% you should hold on.
Okay.
Puneet, how about Man Infra?
Man Infra. Okay, fresh breakout, consolidation, hold for it. Although there's some technical gap, we may retest. Uh, Not much. Come down to 69, then consolidate a bit, and fresh breakout is expected. Price could be 84, 86. I mean, your target could be 84, 86 at the top.
Okay, got it. Just one more, Puneet, Quadrant. I know it's a penny script, but then there's Rohit on the call. I was asking for him.
Quadrant Televentures.
Yeah.
You need that positional view, right? Not a trading one.
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, that's exactly the buy point. And if he wants to add more 220 bargain price and have a stop loss of 1.8, buy 2.27, stop loss 1.8, and I think there is first what's keep on holding. Your first target could be around 3, not 3.02, wherein you're going to book 50% and keep on holding it with your stop loss.
Got it.
Okay, and if you know operator is pretty active, the script can actually move to 8 to 9 rupees.
Yeah, we're hearing that this is getting absorbed by maybe Geo. So I think that's the news.
So news are always to spread. I have not heard such news because अगर ऐसी कोई news होती तो ये ₹2.40 नहीं 24 रुपए होता. So
I get that.
it is, so it is all spread. So if somebody is active, there is a big volume here. And
Yeah,
in
no, the
weekly,
the reason is I think Rohit is actually into the audit and stuff, so that's how I got to know.
So there is a long-term reversal in average. It's a buy. So if you buy 2.27, buy 1 lakh shares, take a risk of 50,000 rupees. If it goes 8-9 rupees, it's fine. On 50,000 investment, you're getting like 8-9 lakh rupees. It works well, then it's okay.
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Puneet, your views on Ratan India Power?
Ratan India.
Yeah, the last time we discussed, I mean, there was a lot of volumes into it about a month and a half ago. I'm looking at it for long term. So how does it look on charts?
So 6.92 could be a base. 6.92 is something you can add on. So 6 rupees is your stop loss. To be very precise, and things are moving pretty much well, and your target could be 16 on a higher end.
Okay. And the power sector as a whole, I mean, is like
It's
nearly
moving
every
good.
power
I
sector.
mean,
Yeah.
every power stock is good on expectation. Some budget supportive announcement could come to the sector. So that is why it is moving. So I think if that is the case, so this stock has potential to move on.
Okay. And Ultratech Cement?
Cements are pretty moving. It always move. Ultra and Tech Cement. Short term move.
Long term, about a year.
About a year or so. So 52 to 5400 achievable.
Okay.
Hero Motor.
Thank you.
For short term.
The stock is in consolidation, and you may not find long legs. It is already on resistance, made a lower high pattern. So the script is bullish only above 3870. So presently it is striking down. It's gonna be in the range, and it may just let's make it parallel channel to have a. So all those scripts which are in range, now you should buy the bottom and sell the top. So just make a parallel line here. Okay, make a okay, it's easily visible now. So stock is in mid range. It can retest 3400, and it has found 1, 2, 3 months resistance. I think if you're holding, just try to book it, book your profits, and wait for bottom levels to test. So probably 3400, 3430, 3450 is the best level to enter this script. Okay, so anything which is above, I mean, we will buy only above 3870. If it strikes above this, stand at that point, then we can look for 4200, 4250 at the top. But it is at present, it is at the selling zone, so I think you should avoid an exit.
Vikas Ecotech. Vikas Ecotech.
Yeah. 60 rupees possible.
Sorry?
60 rupees is possible. Presently, it is overheated. May take some time. So I think the target will be like 6 months.
Okay. It will take 6 months to go reach 60.
Yeah.
Okay. Bell?
I have already discussed Bell. Next.
Apollo Tyres, please. Looking for only BTST, sir.
Apollo Tyres?
Yeah.
So if it was a breakout above 273, you would have bought at that point. That was the best BTST. So previous high was 289. So it can touch. I mean, it's a buy only above 289, but it will try to touch near high. So 287 or something, 288 is wherein you should be cautious and get out of the script.
Okay. बोलने के लिए बोलना पड़ता है, दबाना पड़ता है.
Okay. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Bohra Industries.
So results are probably this. It's been 6 months, I guess. First 6 months results are going to be out. Okay, and stock has made a low. I've studied it. Stock has made a low of 32.31. It is trading at 44. 65 to 70, I think, to be precise, this result season.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
Sir, Reliance Naval.
Reliance Naval, I've already discussed. SDVN.
Okay.
How about buying a Nifty 10,550 put, sir?
Not advisable at this point till the time we see some reversal.
And also,
see, I don't predict, I just follow the trend. So the trend is as such range bound, bit bullish side, not negative.
GDP has come as a 6.5 here, and will it take anything impact?
Not much of impact. It is in range. There is not much of difference.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And pharma for midterm.
सर मैं अपनी क्वेरी नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ सर. एक हमारा एक ग्रुप मेंबर है प्रेरणा सर, उसने 59 के रेट में मैंने इंफ्रा लिया है. She's not able to connect with you, so she's wanting your view about man infra.
Man infra we just discussed as just few minutes before. 84, 86 is the possibility.
She was not.
84,
Yes, sir,
86 is the possible target. 84 to 86 is the possible target.
And sir, what should be the best point?
Which one?
Best point.
6950.
Sir, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
6950.
6950. Okay. Okay, and target is 89.
84 to 86.
And stop loss, sir?
67.
Okay. Stop loss, sir?
67. Closing below 67 should not hold. And deeper stop loss if you want. Positional stop loss is 63.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for giving your precious. I really said.
JP Power.
JP Power. So all those power stocks are going good. Just touched. Okay, somebody is distracted. Let me see. If this stock has some potential to move. Okay. So not much of attraction. Max it can touch if some announcement before result 11 before this budget could be, it can touch 1138 to 1270. That is the zone you should get out if you're holding it.
ठीक है सर.
What about JK Agri?
Okay, I'll just take two minutes. I'll spend some 2 minutes more. So if somebody left, keep asking. JK Agri, right?
Yes, sir.
I have another 2 minutes. JK Agri Genetics.
Yes.
Keep holding the script. Beautiful. Somebody has already picked up. It will keep performing. Target could be like 3000, 2019.
Okay, what about rain resistance?
Rain, keep holding. I have that in my portfolio.
LT Foods. Just type Dawat then.
Hello.
Like this is a name for company. Dawat. Double A.
Double A? T-double-A?
DAA. Double A.
Yeah, got it.
For long term, I want to enter.
Keep holding. I mean, it is. You want to enter?
Yeah, I want to enter for long term.
I mean, wait, have patience. I mean, it can come down to 94 levels, and stop loss is 89. Okay, it's a fresh momentum, fresh breakout. Scripts is already collected, and if you get that 94, 89 is a stop loss, keep holding this script.
HPCL. HPCL.
One more. PRUH Finance.
Hind Petro is a range bound script as of now, and fresh buy call, Morningstar formation. Okay, 12. I think you should avoid this script. See, crude oil has already, hit 67, $68 per barrel. And although government has given this announcement that it will be linked to international prices, but this is India. I mean, people will come down. Petrol is too heavy, so I don't think this is sustainable model to go on. So I think better you should avoid the script. The script is under pressure. This is double top distribution which is happening. It's just trying to hold. Volumes are pretty less. I think avoid having the script in your portfolio. And if you're holding it, uh, you know, so every peak is a sell. It is making, you know, lower highs kind of pattern, symmetrical formation, and has potential to come down and retest levels of 350 at the bottom. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for your time. And
Only Group Finance.
last, Group Finance.
Yeah, GRUH. For long term, I want to enter.
The script is consolidating in so many weeks, not much of volume trend. I think let's wait, let the script consolidate above 520 levels, then you buy. Otherwise, it has potential to test 460 levels at the bottom, 460 or 450 levels. Okay, it's a
Thank you.
buy only above, it stays above 520 plus.
Sure.
Okay, thanks for the time. We'll catch you soon sometime. All those pro traders, I want your homework to be done. I mean, every weekly we will test all the future, scripts which we have pledged to take on, and we'll keep on discussing, keep on learning. Thanks for the time. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Puneet.
sir. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much. Good night.